Oh yeah, buckle up, adventure lovers. These shots of climbers conquering the snowy heights are pure adrenaline. And right there in the middle, helmet mounted and ready for action, is a GoPro, capturing every breathtaking second. But the wait continues. Igor Bogdanov's post hits the nail on the head. And what is GoPro waiting for? It keeps dragging its feet. Fans everywhere are buzzing, craving the arrival of the GoPro Max 2. This isn't just another camera, it's expected to be the ultimate 360-degree beast, tougher, sharper, and smarter than ever before. Imagine smoother stabilization when you're clinging to icy ridges, brighter low-light magic as the sun sets on your climb, and a design that's sleek but built like a tank for the harshest elements. These images scream adventure, and the GoPro Max 2 promises to make those epic moments even more unforgettable. The mountain's ready. Now it's GoPro's turn. Leaker extraordinaire Igor Bogdanov spilled the beans after digging into the patent, and the details are juicy. This thing has not one, but two heat sinks, and get this, they don't even touch each other. Why? Because GoPro's giving each sensor its own VIP cooling treatment. Imagine two sweaty marathon runners finally getting their own personal AC units. But the real genius? The camera mount itself is a heatsink. Yup, the very thing you clip to your helmet or selfie stick is secretly working overtime to keep your footage cool and crispy. It's like your camera's wearing an invisible superhero cape that says, "Not today, overheating." If this works as well as it sounds, it means longer shooting sessions without your GoPro suddenly tapping out like a lazy coworker on Friday afternoon. For action junkies, vloggers, and that one friend who insists on filming everything in 360 degrees, the Max 2 could be a game changer. A few days ago, we saw leaked GoPro Max 2 images and a teaser video. Now, let's break down the exciting details. Thanks to some exciting leaked images from Igor Bogdanov, we're getting a first look at a camera that could seriously shake up the world of 360 action filming. This isn't just a small update. GoPro is bringing powerful new features that have everyone buzzing with excitement. Here's the best part. GoPro officially teased replaceable lenses. If you scratch or crack your lens during a wild adventure, no problem. Just swap it out and keep shooting without missing a beat. That's stress-free filming right there. Plus, the Max 2 has visible cooling vents on the front, which means it can stay cool even during long shooting sessions. Smart move! It might just be your new best friend out there. Forget those weak selfie sticks that wobble and make your videos shaky. The Max 2's grip looks tough and comfortable, like it's been working out and is ready for anything. Maybe it's a supercharged invisible stick, or a handy tool with a built-in battery, or even a tripod all in one. Whatever it is, it's clearly built to handle all your adventures. One leaked photo shows the Max 2 spinning so fast that the background turns into a dizzy swirl. This isn't just a neat effect, it's GoPro showing off some serious tech power, hinting at better stabilization or high-speed 360 capture. Imagine flying down a mountain bike trail or zooming on a roller coaster, but your video stays smooth and clear like butter. No more shaky, headache-making clips, just pure cinematic magic. And here's another cool leak. Someone on a high ropes course, helmet on, harness tight, holding the Max 2 while wearing a GoPro on their helmet. This tells us two things. The Max 2 isn't meant to replace your main camera, it's the perfect sidekick. It's great for catching behind-the-scenes shots, wide views, or fresh angles you didn't even think of. Plus, that same textured grip shows up again. Looks like it's part of a new official accessory. Alright, let's get into the tech stuff. The original Max's 2025 update, honestly, kind of boring. Mostly just a shiny touch-up on the 2019 model. But the Max 2? Now that's a whole new level. The big star here is the centered lenses. Why is that important? Because it cleans up those annoying stitching lines in 360 videos, making the invisible selfie stick effect look smooth and flawless, like magic. And get ready for this. The resolution is jumping from 5.6K to a stunning 8K. Maybe even with higher frame rates, so your videos will look crisp and amazing. If GoPro can match or beat that, it's a huge win for creators everywhere. And now, one leaked image shows the Max 2 getting blasted by a fire hose level water spray, probably from a Ford truck. Yeah, it's that intense. This isn't just a splash, it's a total soaking that screams waterproof out of the box. No bulky housing required. With rumored waterproofing of 10 meters or more, this camera laughs in the face of rain, rivers, or accidental cannonballs. Bring it on. Another wave of excitement just hit the drone community. Woohoo! Yet another image dump of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has surfaced, and people are buzzing with mixed emotions. Oh yeah! A World Wide Web shop accidentally updated their listings, giving us a much clearer look at this little beast. First off, happiness is flooding in for one big reason. Old-style click-on propellers are back. Yay! Phew. No more fiddling with tiny screws or screwdrivers after a crash, or when your bag chews up your blades. Fans of the DJI Spark and Mavic Air know exactly how much easier this is going to make life. Then comes the real surprise: clip-on ND filters tailored for the new 1-inch sensor. Whoa! We're talking ND8, ND16, and even ND128. Designed to push image quality closer to the mighty Mavic 4. That's, wow, thrilling news for creators who demand cinematic shots. But not everyone is smiling. Some skeptics are, they're questioning if the Mini 5 Pro can actually match pro-level drones. Seriously? What? And yet, the excitement is undeniable. We even spotted a cheeky joke online comparing the ND filters to new Apple Watches. Wait, what? The lens detail E24 f1.8 is now confirmed, and while design changes are subtle, emotions are sky high. DJI leaker Ann Keat has dropped a leaked image of the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, and fans can't stop buzzing. Even better, he revealed that the official launch date is set for September 16th, marking the countdown to what could be DJI's most exciting ultralight drone yet. Adding fuel to the fire, Mauro Tandoi unveiled the pricing details without VAT, giving us a clear look at what to expect. The breakdown is impressive: €614 for the drone only with a 37-minute battery, €742 for the drone plus RC2, €922 for the Fly More combo with a 37-minute battery, and $986 for the Fly More combo with the extended 52-minute battery. To top it off, Mauro also appreciated Ann Keat in his post, giving credit where it's due. With leaks, launch dates, and prices now on the table, excitement is skyrocketing. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute game changer. Is it coming in the USA? The DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, a clear sign that DJI intends to bring the drone to the American market. Multiple reliable sources suggest a global release is set for mid-September 2025. However, in the US, availability may be affected by ongoing logistical challenges. Major retailers such as Best Buy and B&H are currently facing shortages due to customs enforcement under the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, or UFLPA. Despite these restrictions, DJI has publicly stated that it has no plans to withdraw from the US market. What this means for US buyers: an official US release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro appears both planned and likely, supported by FCC clearance. Availability, however, could be limited at first because of import delays and regulatory hurdles. If these challenges are resolved, the drone is expected to arrive in the US alongside the global mid-September launch. Front and center on the box art, we see the DJI Mini 5 Pro bundled with the powerful DJI RC2 controller, complete with its built-in display. Yes, that means no more juggling your smartphone, just pure flying focus with a pro-level controller straight out of the box. Even better, the label proudly says Fly More Combo Plus DJI RC2. And that's not all. Get this, the front face shouts out 52 minions by 3. Whoa! That strongly suggests 3 batteries, each promising up to 52 minutes of flight under ideal conditions. Do the math, that's more than 2.5 hours of airtime in one kit. Absolutely awesome. This is a major endurance upgrade compared to previous mini-series bundles, making the Mini 5 Pro a true game changer for travelers, content creators, and everyday pilots.